Ever feel like recording and editing social media content takes forever? Or maybe you're overwhelmed about where to start? I've been there. But here's the thing. Once I figured out a simple system, creating content not only got faster, it became way less stressful. And here's the best part. This system works for any platform. So today I'm going to show you how I record and edit social media content quickly so that you can save time and energy while still creating videos that perform well. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, repeatable workflow to get your content out there faster. Let's dive in. Did you know that the way you record your videos can make editing 10 times faster? So that's where it all starts, with how you record. If you nail this part, editing becomes a lot smoother. So let's talk about what you need. You're going to need a smartphone. You'll also want a tripod so that your videos aren't really shaky. You'll want to sit facing a window for natural light lighting your face. This is going to make your video look higher quality. You'll also want to record this in a quiet, clutter-free space to minimize distractions. And if you did want higher quality audio, you can plug in an external phone microphone and use that to capture higher quality audio. But if you don't have one of those, no problem. You can just use your phone mics, and I will show you how to enhance it with AI in post. Here's where this gets super easy. So I actually use the Riverside app to record all of my content, and here's why I do this. So all of the recordings are stored online. This means that these recordings don't take up any space on your phone. You can also add your script right here to the screen so that you can read it as you record. And you can batch record in one go. So here's how it works. You would just press record when you're ready to record a social media video. Now I record all of my week's content in one sitting. When I'm done with one video, I just press stop recording at the top here. You'll see that video will be uploading to the cloud, and then I just press record again, and I start my next video. And then I continue stopping the recording and starting the recording until I have a week's worth of content right there. Now, when you're recording, if you mess up a line, don't stop the recording, just start the sentence over again. You'll be able to cut out that mistake in post-production. Now again, all of my recordings upload to the cloud, and when they're ready, you can select check it out. So you'll see here, I have all of my social media recordings. So now that your footage is recorded, let's make it pop. Here's where you turn those raw clips into scroll stopping content. So if you are in a rush, you can make some pretty basic edits on your phone here. You would just select the recording that you want to edit, select new edit, and here you can do things like trim your content, cut your content, add dynamic animated captions, and change the aspect ratio. You'll see here this is an old get ready with me that I did. So when your video is exported, you can also share it directly from your phone to the various social media platforms. Pretty cool. But if you do want more control and functionality over your edit, then go and switch to your computer. To access your files, you're going to want to log in to your Riverside account on your computer, the same account that you use to record the videos on your phone, and then navigate to the same studio where you recorded those videos. Hover over your video and select edit. You'll see that your video has been transcribed along the side here. You can take out parts that you want deleted by highlighting over them in the transcript, pressing delete on your keyboard, and that section will be deleted out of the final video. Then you want to head up to this AI producer button and use this set pace tool. This is going to take out any silences from your video. For fast-paced platforms like TikTok and Reels, I recommend taking out all silences from your video to keep the video snappy. If you did have any filler words like or ah or unwanted sounds like you hit your mic, this smooth speech feature will be available and that will take all of those out in one click. Now, if you used your phone mic to record and you want to enhance that audio to studio quality, you can just select this magic audio button and that's going to enhance your audio track. Dynamic captions are a game changer for social media. They grab attention and keep people watching. So I head over to this caption section and all of these presets of captions are available for me to choose from. So I'm going to select one that I like. And here you can adjust the style, the font, how many lines your captions take up. You can even adjust the animation style and the colors. And what's really cool is you can actually save whatever you create as a preset. So next time you're creating a video or for your next batch of videos, you can just use that preset. And if there was a word that was mistranscribed, you can just highlight over it in the transcript, select correct the word, and you're good to go. Now for the first 5 seconds of your video, I suggest to add a bold text hook that grabs viewers' attention. So you can use this text feature, add a title, create a text hook. You can adjust the sizing and the style the same way that you did the captions. Put it somewhere in the center of the frame. And then along the bottom here, you can adjust the duration. So you're going to want to slide that to be at the very beginning of your video and take up about 5 seconds of your video. You can adjust that along the timeline here. You can also add extra text or videos throughout the video to make it more dynamic and engaging. And if you wanted to add music to this, you can even use Riverside's stock music library or upload your own royalty-free music. However, you can also just keep this audio only and use in-platform features to add music directly on whatever platform you're posting to. Now, if you wanted to adjust the cropping of the video, you can select it and select this little crop tool, and then you can zoom in and move yourself around the screen. Now, if you wanted to change the aspect ratio of your video, you can do that up here, and you can create different aspect ratios for various platforms. Now, when your video is ready, you're going to select export. Export in 1080p. This is going to be the best export settings for social media platforms. Unless you are uploading a long-form YouTube video, then definitely do 4K if the camera you recorded with has 4K capabilities. When you're ready, select Export Video and go to Exports. You'll see your video exporting right here. And while it's exporting, you can go into the other videos that you batch recorded and edit them as well. Now that this is exported, you can select it and you can download it directly to your computer, or you can share it to various social media platforms or even share it directly to your phone by scanning this QR code, so then you can post directly on your phone. Now, if you created a long form video, maybe a YouTube video, then you will have this Magic Clips feature available. When you select Magic Clips, Riverside will create short AI-generated clips from your longer content. So this is perfect for turning a YouTube video into bite-sized pieces for TikTok or Instagram or Shorts. And then this way you can maximize your reach without recording more content. So yeah, that is how I create my social media content super quickly. Whether you're creating YouTube Shorts or Reels, TikToks, even long-form YouTube videos or webinars, this workflow is going to help you create content that stands out. So if you want to try Riverside, I will leave a link to try it out for free in the description of this video, along with a playlist of videos to help you get started. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, then definitely subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. My name is Bridget O'Rourke, and I'll see you next week. Bye.